over there.
Is it too much to ask for?
Didn't see you there. Broke by Kilar here, back again with another project. So you saw episode 1 where we built this shelf of creating my Hypebeast little DIY shoe shelf. Here it is. There's the shoes. Here's the shelf. Here's the clothes that I still haven't sold. Here's the shoes I still haven't sold. Why is all of this still in my room? I don't want these. You're supposed to be buying them. So shop Broke Boy Project on Grail.com. Link in the description below. Let's head back this way. Welcome back to MTV Cribs. I'm your host. I'm your celebrity guest. Anyways, so part 2 is going to be building this shelf right here. Yes, there's a shelf already built, but I'm going to change it to a white one that looks just like this. And I'm going to have it going into the shelf. And it's going to run and make an L. And go all the way to this window here. Oh, don't mind this. This is just the most valuable player for judo. It's no big deal.
Kellen has 4.
Kellen has a broken shoulder. It's gonna go to like here. It's gonna be a little bit narrower. Let's just get started on it. Oh yeah, so I already cleared it off. Here's all the stuff. It's cleared off. So Kellen recommended that we should probably put shirts on because
Don't get flagged by YouTube.
don't get flagged by YouTube. But you don't understand how hot it is in this room. Okay, that's why the last video when we were building this stuff, no shirts because it's too hot. I'm sweating right now. I'm just standing here talking to you. I apologize. If you don't want to see it, then just... I was gonna say don't watch the video, but I really need you to watch the video because we need views. You know what? If this video gets 50,000 likes, I'll start wearing a shirt in every video. Step 1, we're gonna take down the old shelf. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Oh. Oh, man. Small problem.
There's a dinosaur in here.
You do that. Then that happens. It's also focusing up. I'm gonna edit all of this to make it look like I know exactly what I'm doing. Focus. So there's the 3 brackets we're gonna be using to make the L shape. I know what you're thinking. That's not gonna hold a shelf, it's in the middle. This is the only stud, so this has to go here. We're gonna drill it into the shelf itself from this side. We're gonna screw it in, so that'll anchor that side. There is a stud right along this wall in the corner, if you can see that. So I'll probably use one of these to hold it up in there. So perfect. So if anybody wants this long board right here, or this short board, I'd say it's about a 4.7 maybe, 4.9. You can probably, if you have some experience, you can probably rip it up on some 2 to 3s with this bad boy. So I'll go check it out on Broke Boy Project on Grill. Ah! Oh! Toast! So here's the leftover wood. Oh! You guys have never seen this. Yes, this is a pool table. There's also a ping pong table top that goes over it, and that's what we film on. But it's actually a pool table. So, just so you know. These look like they might actually be the correct length already. Let's just pull one of these up. Damn, the curve! We forgot about the curve. Oh yeah, we're gonna measure how long the wood needs to be. Then we're gonna cut the wood. Huh. This is a mess. Alright, well, there's like those flat brackets that I told you that I was gonna put over here. I didn't buy enough to put on the top, so now it wants to bend. But the wood also curves, so that's a problem. But this is a broke boy project, you know. We do this, we're gonna figure it out. So first step in figuring this out is I think I'm just gonna force this into place.
I ain't even screwing the bottom of this one.
Sideways. That's how it is. Yeah, why not? Okay, cool. Sideways. Yep. See? Perfect. Crooked. That is extremely sturdy. That's really strong, actually. That's pretty good. Does that look straight?
Oh! Yee! I think that's good.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Damn! Oh! Oh! That looks good. I think that's pretty good. So now I'm gonna try to organize a little bit and then wipe everything down because it's covered in drywall. And then I'll paint it. Alright, so last night at like 1 o'clock in the morning I just decided to start painting. So I already got the top all painted, these edges all painted. I still gotta paint this side. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Before I do that though, I'm thinking I might start trying to do like little promotions. Let me turn this on. Promotions like the deal of the day. So I got this pair of uncaged ultra boosts right here. Pretty much dead stock. They're like used like twice maybe at the most. $180 retail price. I'll sell these for $100 flat if you go to the Grailed account right now. No shipping. Hit up the Grailed account, Broke Boy Project, link in the description below, and you can pick these up for $100. Just say something like, I saw the YouTube video. Even more so, if you live in Hilo, I want to hook it up even more. If you live in Hilo, Hawaii, and you DM me on my Instagram, then I'll sell you these for $75. That's it, 75 bucks cash. You can have these $180 shoes. Let's just get rid of them. These are a size 10, by the way, men's size 10. Hit me up. Okay, so I'm just gonna be holding up this box right here because there's actually some things on the shelf that I don't want you to see yet. So I actually finished building the shelf like a couple weeks ago, but as always, I never make time to finish filming the closing of the video. So here's the closing of the video. Here's the shelf. It's super sturdy. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. However, I need to cover the things in the back because the next video that I'm going to be posting is a Supreme haul that I did where I brought in a bunch of Supreme accessories. So I don't want to show you guys what's behind here because I have a bunch of the accessories just like lined up on the shelf already. So that's why I'm covering it up. And so in the next video, I do film the unboxing right here in the room, so you're gonna see the shelf in the background. But here is the shelf. This is what it looks like. I actually added this light right here, which shines on the desk that I work on, which is perfect. And so that will conclude building my Hypebeast room part 2, and part 3 will be coming out very soon. I'm going to talk about it in the next video, the idea that I have for part 3. And it's like 8:30 at night. I need to go study. I'm feeling a little bit sick, so it's time for me to wrap up this video. So if you are curious about seeing the Supreme items that I'm hiding from you, make sure you come back next week to see the unboxing of that. As always, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time.